Exercise 4.4. In the given figure below, find the ratio of A, perimeter of triangle ABE to triangle ACD. ABE to ACD. አሁን ስንፈልግ የኤቢን ፔሪሜትር የትሪያንግል ኤሲዲ ፔሪሜትር ፈልገን ፔሪሜትር 1 ብንለው የኤቢን የኤሲዲን ፔሪሜትር 2 ብለን ፔሪሜትር 1 ሲካፈል ለፔሪሜትር 2 አድርገን መስራት እንችላለን። ወይም ደግሞ ሳይድ 1 ኦቨር ሳይድ 2 ብለን መስራት እንችላለን። B, area of triangle ABE to triangle ACD. 2. The scale factor of triangle ABC to triangle DF is 4:3. The area of triangle ABC is x and the area of triangle DF is x minus 7. The perimeter of triangle ABC is 8 plus y and the perimeter of triangle DF is 3y minus 12. Then find the perimeter of triangle DE and find the area of triangle ABC. 3. Triangle ABC is similar with triangle DF. The length of altitude BP exceeds the length of altitude EQ by 7. If AC is equals to 5/4 DF, then find the length of each altitude. Okay. Now let us see the solution. Triangle ABE is similar with triangle ACD by what? By angle similarity theorem. አንግል ሲሚላሪቲ ቴረም ያልንበት ምክንያት ለምንድን ነው? እዚህ ጋር አንግል ኢ ከአንግል ዲ ጋር ተመሳሳይ ናቸው። because they are corresponding angles, because they are parallel. If two parallel lines cut by transversal line, corresponding angles are formed and corresponding angles are equal measurement ይኖራቸዋል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር አንግል ኢ is a common angle, so by angle similarity theorem the given two triangles are similar. So since triangle ABE is similar with triangle ACD by angle similarity theorem, now AB over AC is equals to BE over CD is equals to AE over AD. AB over AC is equals to BE over CD. The length of AB is 6 over the length of AC is 6 plus y is equals to the length of BE is 6 over 9. Use cross product method. 36 plus 6y is equals to 54. 6y is equals to 54 minus 36. 6y is equals to 18. Divide both sides by 6 by 6. Y is equals to 3. AE over AD is equals to 6 over 9. The length of AE is x and the length of AD is x plus 4. Use cross product method. 3 times x is 3x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 4 is 8. Now collect like terms, 3x minus 2x is equals to 8, x is equals to 8 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Thus the perimeter of triangle ABE is AB plus BE plus AE. The distance around the polygon, around the triangle ስለሆነ የሁሉንም መደመር ነው ማለት ነው። ሌንግዝ AB plus ሌንግዝ BE plus ሌንግዝ AE 6 plus 6 plus 8 is equals to 20. 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 is 20. And perimeter of triangle ACD is equals to AC plus CD plus AD. The length of AC is 9 plus the length of CD is 9 plus the length of AD is 12. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. Therefore, perimeter of triangle ABE over perimeter of triangle ACD is equals to 20 over 30. 0 cancel by 0, which is 2 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The next is area of triangle ABC over area of triangle ACD is equals to K square. The area of triangle ABC is x and the area of triangle ACD is x minus 7 is equals to 4 over 3 the whole square, because the constant proportionality of these two similar triangles is 4 over 3. Then 4 squared is 16 and 3 squared is 9. Use cross product method. 9 times x is 9x is equals to 16 times x is 16x minus 16 times 7 is 112. Now 9x minus 16x is equals to negative 112. 9x minus 16x is negative 7x is equals to negative 112. Divide both sides by negative 7. X is equals to 16. And perimeter of triangle ABC over triangle ACD is equals to K 8 plus Y over 3Y minus 12 is equals to 4 over 3. Use cross product method. 3 times 8, 24 plus 3 times Y, 3Y is equals to 4 times 3, 12Y minus 4 times 12, which is 48. Now 3Y minus 12Y is equals to negative 48 minus 24. 3Y minus 12Y is negative 9. Y is equals to negative 72. Divide both sides by negative 9. Y is equals to 8. Perimeter of triangle DF is 3Y minus 12. The value of Y is 8. Then 3 times 8 minus 12. 3 times 8 is 24 minus 12. 24 minus 12 is 12 units. And B, area of triangle ABC is equals to X, which is 16 square units. 3. Let X be the length of altitude EQ, and then X plus 7 is the length of altitude BP. By applying angle similarity theorem, gives X plus 7 over X is equals to AC over DF. Use cross product method. 4 times X or X plus 4 times 7, 28 is equals to 5 times 6, 5x. Now 4x minus 5x is equals to negative 28. X is equals to 28. Altitude EQ is 28 and altitude BP is equals to 28 plus 7, which is 35. Now let us see review exercise for unit 4. The 1.8 meter tall lady makes 9 meter long shadow, and the palm tree makes 26 meter long shadow. Find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. Triangle ACE. Triangle ACE is similar to triangle BCD by angle similar theorem. AC over BC is equals to AE over BD. So the height of the palm tree is 26 meter, and the height of the shadow of the lady is 9 meter, is equals to H over 1.8. የፓልም ትሪው ከፍታ ሲካፈል ሻዶው ከፍታ ሲካፈል የልጅቷ ቁመት ሻዶው እኩል ይሆናል ሪል ኦብጀክቱ የፓልም ትሪው ቁመት ሲካፈል ለልጅቷ ቁመት ይሆናል። የሷ ቁመት ስንት ነው? 1.8 ሜትር ነው ወይም ሜትር ከ80 ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ክሮስ ፕሮዳክት ሜትር ተጠቅመን መስራት እንችላለን። 26ን በ1.8 አባዝተን ለ9 ማካፈል ማለት ነው። so h is equals to 46.8 over 9, then h is equals to 5.2 meter tall. ስለዚህ the height of the palm tree is 5.2 meter tall ነው ማለት ነው። የሱ ሻዶው ስንት ይሆናል? 26 ሜትር ሎንግ ነው ማለት ነው። የሷ 1.8 ሜትር ቁመት ቢኖራትና የሻዶዋ 9 ሜትር ቢሆን የፓልም ትሪው 5.2 ይሆንና 26 ሜትር ሎንግ ሻዶው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የነዚህን ሬሾ ብንወስድ the same ይሆናል። 2. The area of two similar triangles are 64 cm square and 144 cm square. Find the ratio of their altitude. As you know, area 1 over area 2 is equals to h1 over h2 the whole square, or side 1 over side 2 the whole square, or p1 over p2 the whole square. To find the ratio of their altitude, area 1 over area 2 is equals to side 1 over side 2 the whole square. 64 over 144 is equals to side 1 over side 2 the whole square. To find the ratio of their altitudes is equals to square root of 64 over 144. The square root of 64 is 8 and the square root of 144 is 12. To simplify, 8 over 12 by 4, 2 by 4, 3, 2 over 3. Therefore h1 over h2 is equals to side 1 over side 2 is equals to 2 over 3. the ratio of their altitudes becomes 2 ratio 3. B, if the perimeter of the smaller triangle is 49 centimeter, that means P1, find the perimeter of the larger triangle, that is P2. So P1 over P2 the whole square is equals to area 1 over area 2. But area 1 over or side 1 over side 2 ብለን ከላይኛው ያገኘነው የኤን ያገኘነው ቫልዩ መጠቀም እንችላለን። የአልቲቲዩድ ሬሽዮ 2 ሬሽዮ 3 አግኝተናል። ከሳይድ ሬሽዮ ጋር ዘሴም ነው። በቴረም 4.4 መሰረት if the corresponding sides of the ratio of the corresponding sides of any two triangles is k, then p1 over p2 is equals to side 1 over side 2 is equals to k በሚለው ቴረም መሰረት p1 over p2 is equals to side 1 over side 2 is equals to 2 over 3 ብለን እንሰራለን። But the smaller the perimeter of the smaller triangle is 49 centimeter over p2 is equals to side 1 over side 2 is equals to 2 over 3 49 ሴንቲሜትር ለፒቱ እናካፍላለን እኩል ነው ከ2/3 ጋር። ስለዚህ ዩዝ ክሮስ ፕሮዳክት ሜተድ 2 ሲባዛ በፒቱ 2ፒቱ ይሆናል። 3 ሲባዛ በ49 3 ጊዜ 49 3 ሲባዛ በ40 120 ይሆናል። 9 ጊዜ 3 27 147 ይሆናል። 147ን ለስንት እናካፍላለን? ለ2 which is 73.5 ሴንቲሜትር ይሆናል ማለት ነው።